Update 3 on Cyclone Inawo, which is located in the southwest Indian Ocean this morning at 4 a.m. UTC, March the 5th. It had winds of around 70 miles an hour and a pressure of 978 millibars. A green alert remains in effect for Madagascar. It's at 14 degrees south, 56 degrees east, and the storm is expected to intensify over the coming days, the coming 2 days to be precise, as it approaches Madagascar and probably makes a landfall there as a significant cyclone. We expect it will intensify rather quickly from here on in, possibly reaching Category 2 or 3 status before reaching Madagascar and making landfall near peak intensity and then moving inland, and weakening doesn't appear to be forthcoming either after it does so. Right now it's 164 miles northeast of Tromelin, Mauritius, and 387 miles east of the closest Madagascan city, Antalyaha. It is a stage 3 on the CDPS scale. Significant damage is possible, particularly in the western half of the storm. This is what we expect over the next few days as it moves towards a westerly direction, attaining hurricane status we expect very soon, and then approaching Madagascar into the beginning of the next week, and then moving into Madagascar. Landfall we expect in around 2 days' time. That would be Tuesday sometime, maybe around lunchtime Tuesday, and then inland over Madagascar and weakening to a tropical storm pretty quickly. Sea surface temperatures right now are pretty warm, 28 or 29 degrees Celsius easily, and possibly 30 degrees Celsius in 1 or 2 pockets off the coast of Madagascar, so the storm has plenty of fuel to sustain significant thunderstorm activity and intensity as it moves towards the island. Wind shear is not looking too bad right now. There you can see high amounts to the north and lower amounts towards Madagascar to the southwest. And now let's take a look at the latest satellite imagery. This is what it looks like. It could be the beginnings of an eye possibly, but we're not too sure about that just yet. We're waiting for more information, but that is a recent flare-up that's occurred near the centre of the storm, and possibly the eye may be about to come out pretty soon, and that would certainly cement its hurricane status, which it has not quite yet attained, but has according to the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre. And the storm's influence is increasing, but still hasn't reached Madagascar yet. We expect that will change before too long. And apologies for the lack of imagery. The NOAA floaters aren't much better, I'm afraid, in this part of the world. Elsewhere in the tropics, we've got better floaters, like this one here, covering Cyclone Blanche, which is over the Northern Territory of Australia, 50 miles northwest of Darwin right now. That storm's expected to move towards the southwest and make landfall in the Kimberley region of Western Australia in around 2 days' time. That storm could also intensify pretty quickly. It's got a small window of intensification with very warm waters of around 31 Celsius. You wouldn't expect anything less given the lack of activity that we've had this year so far to cool down those waters. They're very warm indeed. But that's the other system that's active right now. As for this year so far, as alluding to, this is now the 7th. Well, Blanche became our 6th tropical storm to form, and 2 Category 1 hurricanes, could be 3 very soon, and it's actually our 8th storm worldwide so far. Obviously Inawo was number 7, Blanche is number 8, so we're up to 8 now in terms of 2017, which is slowly catching up towards the average for this time of year, but it is still lagging behind quite considerably, and in terms of ACE values, it's just about to overtake 1946, I believe, to become quite a season since then. You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com and its tracker at your service at any time. You can also find us on YouTube, search Force 13 if you're not there already. Subscribe please. You can also find us on Facebook and Twitter, search Force 13 all in text, at Force 13 the handle on Twitter. And you can add Fool13, FOOL13, and add extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat at any time.